राष्ट्रीय बॅडमिंटन महासंघ म्हळ्यार बॅडमिंटन असोसिएशन ऑफ इंडियाची आम सभा आनी वेंचणूक कळंगुटे जाली। हिमत बिस्वा शर्मा परत महासंघाचो अध्यक्ष जालो। गोयचे बॅडमिंटन संघटनेचो अध्यक्ष नारायण ठाकूर परत एकमतान सहसचिव जाला। अनुसावन महासंघ देशभरातल्या बॅडमिंटन संघटनांक वर्साक 5 लाखाची आर्थीक मदत दितलो। ह्या निर्णयाचेर ठाकूर खोशी।
एजीएम आनी निवडणुकेक देशभरातले सगळे संघटनेचे सचिव आनी अध्यक्ष आशिल्ले। महासंघाचे नवे कमिटीचे मेंबरांची नावां डिक्लेअर जाल्या उपरांत अध्यक्ष हिमंत बिस्वा शर्मान पत्रकार बसका घेतली।
Now badminton has entered into a very important and interesting phase. So we want to help our players whatever way it is possible. We want to help our state association to the maximum possible. We want to conduct tournaments. We want to set up new academies. Every association will get 5 lakhs, and whatever sponsorship, whatever prize money, it comes around 1 crore. That will be provided by the from BI. So it will be great relief.
प्रेसिडेंटान आता योनेक्सा कडेन नवो एग्रीमेंट केला, जातून सबस्टेन्शियल अमाउंट जो मेळटलो तो तांणी डिसायड केला की ऑल द एफिलिएटेड एसोसिएशन्स तांकां 5-5 लाख रुपया मेळटले। 5 लाख एसोसिएशनांक दिले की आमी आमच्या प्लेयर्सांक रादर टोर्नामेंट्स आमी करतात, आमच्या प्लेयर्सांक कशें हें करूंक जाता, म्हणजे आमी कितें तरी स्कीम काडून तांकां एसिस्टन्स प्रोवायड करपाक। म्हणजे थोडे प्लेयर्स आमचे भायल्या स्टेटींनी खेळपाक वता, सम ऑफ देम दे कॅनॉट एफोर्ड टू गो हें तें, थोडे सेकंड क्लास रेल्वेन वता, तांकां आमच्यांनी एसिस्टन्स दिवंक जाता।
भारताचो चीफ कोच पी गोपीचंद तेलंगणा संघटनेचो सचिव म्हूण हांगा आयिल्लो। गोंयचे उदेंते खेळगडे अनुरा प्रभुदेसायाची ताणें तुस्त केली। कॉमनवेल्थ गेम्सान बरी कामगिरी जातली असो ताणें विस्वास उक्तायलो।
Won about 5 medals in the last edition, and I do hope that this time around we will better that. Having said that, I think individual players and teams from countries like Malaysia, England, Canada are strong teams which will definitely be competitive. So, but we are a strong nation, and hopefully we'll come back with good number of medals. Well, I think I saw her play at the National. She's quite a good talent and seemed like a very hard-working girl on court. And I believe she definitely has the potential to do very well.
कळंगुटच्या नीरज प्रभू आणि शिरीष कुकळकर।
आता पळोवया गोयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो।
म्हापशा मार्केटातले भायले रस्ते आणि सेंट झेवियर कॉलेजी कडेन फुटपाथाचे काम चालू झाले। उक्तावणाक म्हापशेचो आमदार मंत्री, म्हापशेचो नगराध्यक्ष आणि नगरसेवक आशिल्ले।
म्युनिसिपल मार्केट करता 42 लाखांचे आणि आज रातचे नाल्यार फाल्यां रातचे युनियन फार्मासिटी तो म्हापसार बंद जाय ते हॉटबॉक्स करतले जी सुडा तर इतलोय भाग हो साफ जातलो। त्या भायर आयज आमी नवें करता पळय तो क्रॉस बुरसाचें ब्युटिफिकेशन करपाचें काम सुरू केलां आनी त्या भायर झेवियर कॉलेजी कडेन अनेक फावंडेशन स्टोन घातला की कोर्टाक पासून हावसिंग बोर्डाक पासून फुटपाथ आनी रोड वायडनींग।
14 फायनान्स कमिशन जे ग्रांट्स येयल्ले आमकां 2 crores दिले ते कावन्सिलान डिसिजन घेवन जेणे करून झेवियर्स कॉलेज टू फोर्ट जंक्शन हे सदांच आनी झेवियर्स कॉलेज खूब आदली कॉलेज आनी त्या जाग्यार खुबशीं स्कुलां आसा तेन्ना त्या भुरग्यांक येता त्या एकाडेमीक इयराक बरी फुटपाथ बरें इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर मेळचें म्हणून डिसिजन घेतलेलें आसा।
फोंडे पालिकेच्या सध्याच्या मंडळाची निमाणी बसका जाली। नगराध्यक्ष म्हणटा पालिका मंडळान खंय सोप्याचो विशय तडीक लायलो, मंडळान खंय क्लीन अँड ग्रीन फोंडेचे उतर पाळ्ळे।
All of us came into this tenure promising the citizens of Ponda to give them a clean and green town, and I am happy that we have been able to do that, and what we have done has not only been just our claim, but it has been recognized by the government of Goa through the Urban Development Ministry as well as through the Goa State Pollution Control Board. The issue has been resolved. The matter has been taken up with the Directorate of Municipal Administration. the council resolved to withdraw the 138 case against the Sopo vendor. The case has already been withdrawn and compromise terms have been filed before the Directorate of Municipal Administration, and as far as this council is concerned, the Sopo matter is rested.
18 देश 2 उपखंडांनी आपल्या रेंज रोवरान ड्रायव्हिंग भोंवडी करपाचे एडव्हेंचर मुरगांवचो आदलो आमदार कालवाज करपाचो आसा. हे पयलीं ताणें लेह लद्दाखची भोंवडी केल्या. भारतांतल्या सगळ्या रस्त्यांचेर खंय तांणी गाडी चलयल्या. आता फुडले टार्गेट एडव्हेंचर टू लंडन.
I am traveling by road from Goa to London, and this is an adventure trip created by a group of people from Gurgaon. It's called Adventures Overland, which they did create a trip like last year, and I was supposed to join them last year, but due to unfortunate reasons I didn't go. However, it was my dream to make this happen because I have traveled practically all over India by road. There is no place in India which is not traveled by me on road. So this has been a dream which every boy I think in the world would dream of, doing road trips around the globe. My eldest daughter has been my biggest inspiration because she always saw that I have always been taking challenges and she's always loved seeing her father take challenges. So when I finished a Leh Ladakh where I did a lot of crossing over Jaloti Pass, she found that I really take adventurous trips. And then when she read through this, she says, Papa, you have to do this year.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात. नमस्कार.